Hey there, thanks for joining me at New South Table. We're making roasted sweet potatoes. They're quick, they're easy, they're delicious. Let's do it. Start with peeled sweet potatoes. Dice them into uniform pieces. It's okay if some of the skin is left on them. Then you're going to place them on a baking sheet that you've lined with parchment paper. You'll drizzle olive oil. Be generous here, it keeps them moist. Garlic powder, sprinkle it around along with salt and pepper and paprika. Then you'll give them a gentle toss, just making sure they're all coated well, and spread them out evenly on the pan. Try to keep them from touching. You'll bake on 420 degrees Fahrenheit, and it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice they'll caramelize, and that's the part that makes them taste so good. Now you just enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you like it.